Alright, this is Rich here, and I got my new barrel in from CAA for the MCK. Here's the old one, and of course Hunter Girl took it out and installed the new, what's hopefully the correct barrel. It seems like it. There was some differences, definitely. If you can see on the top, it's kind of rounded on the top, and that was where they inside there. I know it may be really hard to see, but that was a big part of the problem. The screws also are in a different place, or the screw holes, so it mounts differently, and it's I believe it's the correct barrel, so it fits in there. I did still have to shim it up just a tiny bit with some paper to make it a little tighter. It wasn't quite as tight a lock as I liked, but we're going to go ahead and shoot this thing and kind of give it a function test, see how it works now that we've got the correct muzzle device or barrel. I don't think it really does much, but anyway, going to go ahead and do that. So let me get that set up, and we'll see how it works. Alright, looks like we're ready to give it a try. I've got one in the chamber ready to go, so we'll see how it works. I had this sighted in for the G44, which I was able to make work in the G17 setting with the other barrel, but that's a whole nother thing. So I guess without further ado, we're going to give it a try. Looks like we might be just a tiny bit low, but so far so good. There's one round. Okay, you got a stovepipe. Maybe not so unusual on these Gen 1s. They kind of changed the design, but other than that, ran fine. So we're going to try another mag, one of these ETS mags, and see what that's like, and run some of my reloads, which all of these have been some of my reloads. So let's give it a try. Did it all. Looks like I need to adjust my sights a little bit to the right, maybe up a tiny bit. Other than that, gonna look at it real good, check it out. Looks like it may be gonna work just fine. So thank you, CAA, for sending me that new barrel, and thanks to Hunter Girl for taking out the old one and installing the new one. Looks like she did a bang up job. So there you are. There's the update on the MCK from CAA, and thanks for watching.